you said that in a recession, interest rates drop. Like, why is that? I used to not look at interest rates like Aaron explained that to me years ago, but I think it's important for consumers to kind of understand.
Sure. A recession is technically when we have 2 quarters of gross domestic product that goes down. So we just finished the first quarter of this year, and it was down about 1.4%. We haven't had that for quite some time. What it really means is that this Main Street, or businesses, not Wall Street, but businesses that sell things on Main Street, and in our case, Thompson Boulevard, they don't sell as much stuff because the consumer has experienced inflation and has less money to buy stuff. When a recession comes into play, it is not because the consumer doesn't have enough money. It's because the business doesn't have enough sales. Theoretically speaking, then, you take the next step. Some of the employees at those businesses are going to get laid off. Now the recession hits the customer. Then all of a sudden, the next step in the process is, oh, we have to borrow more money to stay alive. We have to sell our home. We have to move in with somebody else. Well, the recessions, with rare exception, don't last for more than 9 months. But the after effects of them last for years. So we had a recession that most of us in the real estate industry missed in 2018 and 19. The last 3 months of 18 and the first 6 months of 19. Technically, we had a recession. And that's when businesses simply weren't able to sell enough stuff. And if you think about it, COVID came in at a really interestingly positive time for a lot of those businesses because they either got federal funding to stay in business, or in the case of the real estate industry, we were able to do a lot of business, make a lot of money, and provide a lot of services to people because of all the different antics of the market. Not the government so much, just the market. So back to the recession part. When we have a recession, that is precluded by the Federal Reserve raising the discount rate. That slows down business, enhancing the probability we're going to have a recession.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this short segment of the podcast. If you're interested in watching another short segment, click here. If you're interested in watching the entire podcast or the entire interview, click here. Thank you so much and make it a great day.